Hi, this is Kaylia from Craft on the Fly, and today I'm going to show you how to make these really easy knitted headbands. And for those, I'm using that chenille appeal from Lion Yarns and also this knitting machine. And you can use any like thin yarn. It's probably easiest to use like number 1 or 2 yarn. And this knitting machine, you can also just knit it by hand or use one of those sort of semi by hand machines, but I really like this one here where you just have to crank. So you feed in your yarn and then attach it to this weight that helps pull it down, and it just make a little knot there. And then you pull it back up as far as it goes. And this machine and everything, all the supplies are linked in the description. This machine actually has a little notch there, and then it also goes through here, and then you can hold that tight for now, and then you turn it towards you, and the first one, and then you skip the next hook, you go onto the third hook and skip the fourth hook, and that's how it starts. And then after that you have to make sure that it catches each hook and just goes down so that the flap can cover it, and let the weight below really pull it through down here. And then also keep basically keep no tension on your yarn so that it can freely go in there and then go down, and just keep turning until you have enough string there. Just keep turning. Once you have enough, you can cut it off. And then just turn it a few more times until they're all off the hook, and slowly pull it through. Now to secure that, just you have those 4 hooks there that have to be secured, otherwise it's gonna come flying all off. So you take a needle, string it on there, all 4 of them in a row. And then just pull it through. And then you can make one more little knot there, just make sure that it's really tight and secure. And then just go through the entire thing and cut off the end there. But you can also do this at the very end. First, then you have that wire headband. They come in a nice pack, and then you just pull them on there or push them on there. To be careful not to go too far and around. And then I secured the ends just with some glue so that they're tight there. And you can use it like that, or you can add a little bow like I did. And it's really easy to just put in a knot there. And you can decide if you want to do it left or right or in the center. And then just tie a bow. Bring the ends in, adjust it a little bit, and then you can just cut off the end and do the same thing again. You have to pull and see where the ends are, and then there's little pieces that are extra that you can pull out. And then get the end there, like a few rows, just so that you have enough string. Again, find all 4 ends or loops there and string them on. Pull it tight. Add another little knot and then pull it through the end and then cut off the end piece. Cut it off and adjust it, and that's all you need for a nice little headband and so many colors to choose from.